Hey guys, let's make some healthy whole wheat and maize pizza. You can see that it looks like the normal pizza and it's really very delicious. For this I am using 1.5 cup of normal atta. This is whole wheat flour. I am adding in half a cup of makai ka atta. You can also replace it with the jawar flour if you want. We are adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar to it. I am using 1.5 teaspoon of instant dry yeast and adding it directly to the flour. Now we'll mix the flours properly and make a well inside. I am using 1 glass of warm water to knead a soft dough. Now we have kneaded the soft dough and we are adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and giving it a good mix. We'll cover it with some damp cloth and keep in a dark place for 2 to 3 hours to proof. After 2 hours you can see that the air has been accumulated in the dough. We'll deflate the dough and make smooth equal proportion balls out of it. So I'm planning to make a thin crust pizza, so I'm making small balls. If you like it thick, you can make big balls also. So now we will roll out some thin chapatis out of the flour. Pierce it with the fork and make some holes and keep it aside. Similarly, we'll make all the chapatis, pierce them and keep it on the separate plate. Now friends, I have baked them in my OTG for about 10 minutes in 180-degree temperature and our base is ready. I am applying generously this homemade pizza sauce over the base. Now we are using some tandoori mayo from Winged Greens. It's really delicious. We are using it generously. You can add the toppings of your choice. If you want to make veg pizza, add veg toppings. I have used chicken tikka and paneer achari toppings over my pizza. I'm adding in some onions, some jalapenos and green olives. And generously I am going to add in some mozzarella cheese. You can replace the toppings of your choice. Friends, our pizza is all loaded and now we are going to bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes and it's done. We'll sprinkle some pizza seasoning over it and relish it. Thank you.